of Lenandra Phillips et al. Versus Jamel Demons et al. This is taken the Circuit Court of the 17th Judicial Circuit in for Broward County, Florida. The case number today is CACE-20-017735. Today's date is September 26, 2024. This deposition is being held virtually. The court reporter today is Nealana Jackson on behalf of Magna. The video operator is Carl Starkweather on behalf of Magna. At this time, could counsel and others please introduce themselves and state who they represent?
John Phillips for the estate of Christopher Thomas.
And Aaron Papero on behalf of the co-plaintiff, Philip Holodeck.
Mark DeCalvin and D'Amica Davis here on behalf of Frederick Givens.
Good morning, Scott Kagan on behalf of two defendants, 100K Management LLC and Jameson Francois.
My name is Tom Lynch. I'm the special master for the depositions, I think for other discovery matters as well.
Okay. Is that all? All right. At this time, could Ms. Jackson please swear in the witness, and after which we can proceed with the deposition. Thank you.
Mr. Givens, would you raise your right hand to be sworn, please, sir?
I'm a witness.
You're the deponent. Yes.
Not of any particular thing, just for purposes of the deposition.
Oh, okay. That's just the word y'all use. Okay.
Okay, sir. Do you affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Whenever the attorney's ready, I'm ready.
Thank you so much. Mr. Givens, my name's John Phillips. I represent Juvie's family, so Christopher Thomas. Look, I've gone through a lot of your stuff. We're going to have a lot of questions for you today, but it's going to be fair. And you've got two attorneys and basically a judge sitting here that's going to keep it fair. And I'm cognizant of you having CRP, right? In one of your interviews, you talked about CRP.
Yeah.
For everybody else, that's courtroom phobia.
Yeah, phobia. Yeah.
The good news is we're not in a courtroom. Looks like you're at your house.
Yeah.
Okay. Is anybody there with you today?
My dogs.
Okay. Well, I don't think they're going to coach you too much on what to say, so we should be good there. Look, if you don't understand any of my questions, stop me and ask, right? Because I want to ask questions that you understand and get this dang thing over for you as soon as possible. I'm in Jacksonville, so I suspect there's going to be a hurricane ban coming this afternoon. So I don't feel like sitting here and picking on you during the rain either. But my client and Aaron's client and all of the parties here really depend on truthful answers and trying to understand what we can about what happened back in October of 2018. I also realize it's a long time ago. So with all that being said, would you state your full name for the record?
Frederick D1, Thomas Givens the sixth.
Okay. And what do you go by?
BDF, Fred. When I be rapping, they call me Fredo.
Okay.
Bang or something.
What's your stage name? Fredo Bang?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How'd you get the name Fredo Bang?
From my partner. He used to call me that.
Okay. And were you named after the kind of, or I guess associated with the other rapper Fredo?
Yeah, you've been watching my interviews.
I've watched every single one of them. We're gonna play some of them today and kind of go through everything. But if you've said it, I've probably watched it over the last couple of weeks.
Okay, I'll get to it.
So you've done a great job. As far as you're aware, you've never been charged with a crime related to what happened between, or I guess what happened back in October of 2018, correct?
Objection to form.
Have you ever been charged with a crime related to any of this?
To this case or something?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Okay, very good. And do you recall a woman named Christine Bradley?
Never heard of it. I
Okay.
don't recall.
Do you recall meeting a prosecutor for the state of Florida in this case?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. And do you recall whether she offered you what's called immunity, meaning if you talk, they wouldn't prosecute you?
Objection to form.
And I'm also going to object, and I'm going to instruct Mr. Givens to assert his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.